The Samsung Galaxy S25 isn't due to launch for a few months yet, but we already getting a good idea of what the flagship will look like thanks to a series of leaked renders. It seems that this influx of images will only get worse now that third parties appear to be preparing for the launch of S25 compatible accessories. Leaker Roland Quant has just shared some images of what he claims to be clear cases for the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. These images include renders of an S25 look-alike phone, and while we don't get a lot of information, there are a few details we can glean about what the final phones might look like. The front renders of all three phones are not at all surprising. We have the classic glass rectangle with a hole punch camera at the very top of the screen and flat displays on all three models, suggesting Samsung is definitely done with curved displays on the Ultra model after abandoning them on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These phones also appear to have a flat-edged design with curved corners, which is a contrast to the more angular corners on the Galaxy S24 series. It looks as if Samsung will be adopting design cues from its rivals, like iPhone 16 and the Google Pixel 9. The Galaxy S25 Ultra case also has a much larger camera cutout than the other two, suggesting we'll see the same 4-camera layout as last year. Presumably this means rumors of a variable telephoto lens, which would combine the two zooming cameras into a single lens, may not be happening this time. Or if it is, Samsung has an extra lens ready to take the smaller telephoto camera place. We don't know where these images came from, or which company is slated to make these cases. The fact that they use simple clear cases doesn't tell us much either, since those will likely be available from countless different accessory makers. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is slated to come with a few different upgrades, including the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra may come with a new 50MP ultra-wide camera lens. All three phones may grow slightly as well, by around 0.1 inches, which would put the S25 Ultra around the same size as the larger iPhone 16 Pro Max. However, the screen technology and batteries may be remaining more or less the same as the Galaxy S24, which means Samsung may have to rely on Galaxy AI and other software features to make the phone interesting to upgraders. You can keep up to date with everything we hear about the phone ahead of launch, including all the latest news and rumors, in our Samsung Galaxy S25 Hub.